Hey traders, I was actually just sitting here and I was thinking, okay, what can I do to make sure traders stay consistent with their execution and actually being responsible with their trading decisions? And there goes a 30 days consistency challenge. So after this 30 days challenge, I'll be giving out 3 100k E8 Markets Prop Firm Challenge account completely out of my pocket. It's not sponsored. So how to participate? You will have to show me your exact execution. It has to be on a live broker. I'll be attaching an IC Markets partner link below. Feel free to register a live account through the link. I don't care what account size you're trading, whether if it's $50, $100. I just need to make sure you're trading on a live account. Or you can also be trading on any E8 Markets Prop Firm account using the code below or the link below. As long as you can show me that you're actually executing those trades, you're not cheating the way through, you'll be accepted. 30 days later, I'll be handpicking the 3 best winners, breaking down their performance, telling all of you how do I personally review my own journal, review my own performance to ensure that I'm actually moving in the right direction and I'm always progressing. Because many of you have seen me go from 4 or 5 figures P&L to now multiple 7 figures. And there's actually a system. There's steps. It's not like I'm talented. I'm not any talented than any of you. I'll be linking a Notion journaling template for all of you for free. It's actually a journaling template that I've been using for the past 4 years. And it's supposed to be exclusive to traders inside the 1% Academy. But I'm happy to share it with all of you. So I'll be posting this video now as I'm speaking. It's 11th of June. We'll probably start tomorrow, which is 12th of June, until 30 days later, which will be 12th of July. Make sure you keep track of everything and drop your exact performance, live transactions track record to this email here 30 days later. And I hope to see who's the winner. If you have any friends, if you have anyone that you think they might stand a chance to win, they're very consistent, aspiring trader, then feel free to ask them to join. Talk to you later. If you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're looking for a serious platform to learn your trading skill, to develop the right knowledge, the skill set, the support, the guidance, feel free to join the 1% Academy. Bye-bye.